Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Ross and
William!
And we are here today to start a new series of science experiments for you. So we're actually going to do a series of gummy experiments. So we're going to do something with gummy bears this week, gummy worms next week, and then we're going to make our own gummy material the week after. Not edible the third week. So what we're going to do today is William has 4 containers in front of us. And William, do you want to tell us what's in the containers?
I mean, if you can't see it, it's Coke, it's water, or that might be the vinegar. Yeah, water, vinegar, salt water.
And salt water. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to keep a control gummy bear, right? So we've talked on the channel before about the control group is the one that doesn't have anything happen to it. So we're going to make sure that we keep a control one. Then we're going to put a gummy bear in each of the containers. And we're going to let them sit, what do you think, for an hour? Okay, we're going to let them sit for an hour. And then we're going to come back and see if they look any different. So we're looking for differences in color, size, all those sorts of things. So that's where our control gummy bear comes in handy, because then we know what it looked like when it started out. And when we pull them out, we can compare it to those. So, William, you want to drop it in the water first? Okay, there we go. So no reaction when we dropped it in the water, just went to the bottom.
Cool.
In the Coke.
Cool. I can't even see it. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened? Okay. And we're not really looking for a reaction, just you never know. Vinegar, nothing? Okay. And then the salt water. Pull this out. There you go. Okay, so we're going to leave these for about an hour, and then we're going to pull them out. We're going to keep one. William might eat the rest, but we're going to keep one as our control. So make sure you keep control if you do this. So we're going to leave these for an hour. Then we're going to time travel back to you in about an hour, and we're going to see if any of these liquids actually change the gummy bear. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and we've left our gummy worms soaking in these 4 different things. So William's going to scoop them out. So we've actually put a control gummy bear in front of each of these. So this one is the salt water. And William, what do you notice? You're probably going to have to hold this one up closer to the camera.
I can't even get it out. It's so small. You actually can't get it. Of course you do the first try.
There we go.
Brother.
Can you hold that up so we can see it? Okay, so here is a comparison of gummy bears. So this one is like super tiny. This one looks like a monster. So it has shrunk considerably. We didn't actually think we were going to be able to find it. It's so small. Okay, next one is the vinegar. So that was the salt water. Salt water is obviously shrinking that.
A little more slippery.
Okay.
I guess. Pretty much the exact same though.
Pretty much the same,
Lost
right?
color, kinda. You notice that, or is that just the lighting?
Okay.
Is that just me, or did it lose color?
Yeah, maybe it's a little less yellow. But it's about the same size, so that's the vinegar one. Wait.
It's not there. Oh, what? There's no way I'm getting that. I'm not even trying to get that. No, you're not getting that. We're not getting that.
Okay.
It's like this little green thing.
So it's like almost microscopic.
It's gone.
We're gonna let him get the Coke one out, and then we're gonna talk about why we think this may be the case. Whoa, that Coke one looks like it's swelled up. Hey, it's bigger.
Yeah, it is bigger.
So it's sort of swelled up, made it bigger. Now the thing about the water and the salt water is that both of the waters were quite warm when we put them in. And in next week, or in 2 weeks experiment, we will find out that you need hot water to dissolve gelatin, which is what these guys are made out of. So some big brain science thinking there, we should have used cold water. So we don't really have an accurate we know what hot water will do. hot water will melt it. So maybe that'll be a follow-up experiment too. We'll use cold water. So we know that Coke swells it up. Vinegar didn't do very much. I'd be curious to know what would happen if we left it longer.
Water's gone. It's gone.
And the water completely dissolved it. So if you are interested in doing this experiment, we'd like to know what else you might want to soak your gummy bears in. Let us know what you tried and let us know what the outcome was. Did it shrink them? Did it make them bigger? Did it dissolve them all together? So that's our first of our gummy experiments. Time to eat the control gummies. So we're going to be back next week with another gummy experiment. So we hope that you tune in and yeah, let us know your results, what you tried to put the gummy bears in, and let us know what happens. So we'll talk to you Monday for book chat and next Friday for more science.